Hello everyone, it's Wednesday, April 1st, and welcome to our daily Pearson Clinical Assessment video newscast. My name is Tina Eichstadt, speech language pathologist and senior product manager in Washington State.
Hi, I'm Nancy Castilla. I'm also a speech language pathologist and senior product manager, and I'm in San Antonio, Texas.
We have 3 news items to share with you today. First, intervention options for telepractice. Beyond our assessments, we have a number of resources for intervention that can be used via telepractice. Here are 4. First, the one that's currently free on Qglobal with a free trial is the Bridge of Vocabulary 2, which is a set of evidence-based activities for the preschool level through advanced vocabulary work. Listening, speaking, reading, writing, vocabulary are all covered. Second, spell links to reading and writing, published by our partner Learning by Design, Inc., is available for purchase on Qglobal by grade ranges K-2, 3-5, and 6-12. This speech-to-print word study curriculum can be used with screen sharing when needed, but also with reproducibles that can be sent to the home. Third, Cogmed Working Memory Training, or Cogmed, can be used with students who need to do training outside of the school or school day. If you would like to use Cogmed using a telepractice or distance learning approach, no special permission is required. And finally, fourth, Pearson has recently added the option for home training to be provided with a RIACOM license subscription. With this method of delivery, home-based therapy is prescribed to the patient by the clinician. The patient can then launch and complete their training using special patient-specific software loaded on their home computer. For more information about any of these products, search the product page at pearsonassessments.com/telepractice.
Our second headline today is that we'll have some telepractice presentation handouts available online. Handouts from 2 ASHA presentations will be posted online tomorrow. One provides information collected in a study done in collaboration with Presence Learning and Connections Education to examine common practices when tests are administered via telepractice, and it addresses what we call the good, the bad, and the ugly. The other presentation provides information on the 5 factors discussed on the telepractice webpage. Both handouts will be available online tomorrow at pearsonassessments.com/telepractice.
And finally, our third headline today is about new tests publishing on Qglobal this weekend. 2 new tests publishing on Qglobal this weekend will work well in a telepractice format. The first is the Pediatric Evaluation of Disability Computer Adaptive Tests, or PEDICAT. The PEDICAT is a caregiver report which measures skills in the area of daily activities, mobility, social cognitive, and responsibility. It's designed for use with individuals from birth to 20 who have physical and/or behavioral challenges. The second is the Milan Adolescent Clinical Inventory Second Edition, or the MACI-II, which was developed specifically for teens and adolescents to assess mental health and behavioral concerns. In addition, the free trial versions of the WISC-5 manuals, Administration Supplement and Technical Manual, will be added to the resource library and available for access. Stimulus books are still in modifications, so stay tuned. Nancy?
Remember, you can experiment and practice with the free tools available on Qglobal using your teleconferencing platform right now. Be sure that when you actually begin to start working with clients that you've checked your local, state, federal, and professional guidelines that still apply. Those are the headlines of the day. Thanks for joining us, and see you next time.